Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be doing a haul. This is a different kind of haul because normally when I do haul it's mostly makeup, but this one it has a variety of items that I have purchased this month and the previous month. So if you're interested on what items I have purchased, then carry on. Please keep on watching. Now when it comes to beauty products, there are new releases which I haven't purchased. They are so pretty, but I can't cope up. But from time to time, I go to the mall, and if I see something that is worth trying, even if it's not newly released, and items that I've been loving so far, I purchase and repurchase them. So one example of that is this one right here. We've got Neutrogena Mineral Sheer Loose Powder Foundation. I have one, and I've been loving this so far. It makes my skin perfect, and it works well on my skin. So this is a refill or a restock. So yes, so I'm not going to be mentioning, sometimes I'll mention prices, but most of it I'm not going to mention prices, but rest assured that I'm going to be leaving it, putting all the links on my description box. Now we'll proceed to another stuff that I have purchased. So it's still the same setting powder, so but this is in a color peach. The color of this setting powder is peach or apricot. This is with the brand Laura Geller Filter Fix Correcting. I got intrigued because this is not the usual setting powder that we use, and I think this was released 2017, a long time ago, and I haven't seen a good review on this one right here. So it's a bit challenging, and I'm gonna try using it and make it work. So yes, that's it. And then the next one we've got right here, as a beauty vlogger, I don't rely on myself. I also watch videos from different people, and I've seen some of them using this one right here, so I guess this is worth trying. So this is e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set, and yes, I'm just so excited. And recently I've been purchasing setting powder and setting mist. Weird. Now we'll proceed to the next category. It's for the hair care, and yeah, the first one I've got is this Chi brand right here. So I've got two items from the same brand. The first one is Enviro 54 Hairspray, and the other one is Shine Infusion. Now this one right here, this is natural hold. I've been posting picture in my Instagram, and it's been a while since I'm so bothered of the hair flying, but so I started using this. But this is natural hold, and I could still see some of my hair flying, but at least it is a little bit tame. So this is the one that I have been trying so far, and I guess I am planning to buy a different brand and see if it works better than that. And this is very interesting because it says Shine Infusion. This one right here, it helps my hair looks a bit shiny, but it doesn't look oily as long as you don't put excess or a lot. So those are the things that I have purchased for my hair. So hair care. So it's just exciting, taking what was lost. My hair used to be so shiny and natural and black, but I killed it. So now I am doing a TLC, so it revives its natural glow. Alright, so we've got here two boxes. Let me show you the boxes. So can you guess what are these stuff right here? Is it a jewelry? Is it a bracelet, a necklace? No, but you're wrong, because what's inside of those boxes are fans. So when it's not necessary here in the US, but when it comes to after setting my face using setting mist or setting spray, and I don't want them to settle like that because it will create ugly result. So I make sure that it is dry by using this fan right here. So I should have purchased the with a battery one, but I guess fan is still cool. I like it, and I used to carry one in the Philippines like all the time. Now we'll proceed. So since I always go downtown and I've got a lot of coins, and my coins are just hanging out on my bag and it doesn't look nice and it bothers me, so I've decided to purchase a wallet. It's a like a coin purse slash you could put your paper bills, but it is folded. So this is by the brand Love Moschino, this one right here. And I don't know if you know the brand, but I like it because as you can see the details, it looks black, it looks classic and expensive with the gold details. So the hardware, it says here Love Moschino, and yeah, the inside is red. At first I said red, seems like it looks cheap, but the longer I'm staring it and seeing it every day, it's like it's acceptable. So yeah, so this is my go-to wallet because it's handy and seems like I could put all of my coins and bills on this one right here, and yeah, that's it. Now next purchase I've made is I've got here the receipt, and that is Sandral Long wool wrap coat. So I've purchased a coat and it's kind of heavy, but I like it because this is the first time I have a long coat, and it fits right on me. I am very skinny, and most of the brands that we have here, even though it's already extra small, still they look big on me, especially like H&M, Forever 21. So I haven't seen the right size for me, but this brand, Ted Baker, they always have a products that really fits me well. So I'm gonna be showing you a picture of that product somewhere on the screen, but if you really want to see the actual products, then hold on, I'm gonna get it out for you. So this is the coat right here, and as you can see, it's black again and with a very good detailed inside. It looks cool, but I'm not gonna be wearing this right now because I've already shown picture, and what you see is what you get. But if you're curious on how this long coat would look good, how does it look on a skinny person, then you can just leave your comment on the comment box section, and probably I might do a try on slash review on this coat right here. So the effort of showing you, I did try to show you the entire coat, but it's just a failure because my space doesn't allow me to do so. Anyways, we'll proceed to the we're almost done. We still have 3 remaining items. So I've got 2 footwears. The first one is this sandals right here. This one it looks plain. It's black but with a gold detail. So in my case, my style have changed, my preference have changed. I'm more into comfort than style, or comfort next is style. So I like this one right here because I could wear this to any color of clothes I have. It could be short, skirt, pants, or dress, and any colors, as long as I have a good pair of black sandals. So this one right here, and this detail right here, it says this is by the brand Calvin Klein, and even though this is an open shoes or open sandal, still my feet will still be protected if the weather outside is really bad and it's raining and it's cold, because as you can see, it has a big leather right there. So I really like these shoes right here. Now we'll proceed to the last footwear that I have purchased, since summer is around the corner and I must have Espadrille. So I think I had one Espadrille way back in the Philippines, and this is the first time I have Espadrille in the US, and the first time having a brown color footwear. So all of my footwears are black except this one right here. I know you would say it's a color which my grandmother would pick up, an old person would like, but whatever, because this one right here, it's just I just love how it looks. It looks expensive and classic. So like I've said, and also aside from the appearance, it is really comfortable, so that's why I've picked this one up. This is by the brand Ralph Lauren. So yeah, my feet is ready for summer. Anyways, and the last one I've got right here is a bag, but it's missing. Oh, it's behind me. So we've got here this bag. This is by the brand Michael Kors, and again back to basic black. So I like this bag because it's really stiff and small. I used to like big bags because I carry a lot of makeup, a lot of things, but since I'm just at home, I'm not working, and when I go downtown, I don't carry a lot of things with me. So small bags is changed my style now, my preference. So it's small bag, and the thing I like about this, it's really stiff, and the material also, it's a hard, rough. Majority of the material is a hard, rough leather, but this one right here, it's a soft leather, which I don't know, but so far I haven't seen any malfunctioning parts of this bag yet. So far so good. And the gold details, like the hardwares, it's a perfect gold. It's not super yellow, it's just right. So it looks expensive, so I like it so much. So that's the complete haul, guys. I have shown everything that I have purchased from this month and the previous month. And yeah, if you think I haven't shown the product in great details, don't you worry, because I've put the links of the items that I have purchased in my description box, and yeah, you could just check it there, visit on the site, and that's what I do. I leave links even though this video is not sponsored. So yes, thanks for watching, guys. Your support is really appreciated, and see you on my next post. I love you. Bye.